Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert data and image in SQLite Database using Android Studio Kotlin. Now insert data and images in SQLite Database. First create a activity. So right click here and new activity and select here empty views activity and give the name student and click on finish. Now go to the layout and here is our activity student.xml. Now add some control here. Now add a edit text and give the name edt name and one more edit text, give id edt address and one more edit text, give the id edt class and edt age and an image view and a button for upload image and a button for save data. Now create a function on btn upload, on click upload student image and add one more function btn click for save data. Now go to the student.kt now add some variables binding activity student binding image byte array db SQLite database my files and msg as string and sid integer and give the default value 0. Now first establish the connection for SQLite database. So my files is equal connection class dot my file and now set the database. So db is equal SQLite database dot and select here open or create database and pass here my files dot pass here absolute path and set the factory null and error handler null. Now pass a message. So msg is equal first create a val I is equal intent. Now msg is equal I dot get string extra and pass the name here msg dot to string and pass here SID student ID is equal I dot and pass here get int extra. So get int extra because data type of student ID is integer. So pass here SID and set the default value. If value not received, then default value is 0 and pass a condition here when MSG suppose value of MSG is add, then data will insert so binding dot ptn sv dot text equal insert data and if message is edit, if we are editing data, then update data. When editing data, delete button should be visible. So binding dot btn del set visibility is equal dot visible. For uploading image, first create here activity result launcher. So private wall activity result launcher is equal registered for activity result and activity result contracts dot start activity for result and result activity result. If result code is okay, then val URI result dot data and select the image. Now upload image. So val my file intent is equal intent dot and pass here action get contact. Action get content, this one, right? And my file intent, set the type of data, so select type is equal and data type is image, all type of images, right? And activity result launcher dot launch and pass here my file intent, and this is our activity result launcher. Now create a function here, insert data, so private fun insert data, and first select a variable, create a variables as name, student name is equal, so binding dot e name dot text dot to string, right? And now create a variables student address as address binding dot edt address, and as class edit text class as age edt age. Now pass a condition, check if edit text is not empty, so if binding dot edt name dot text dot to string dot is empty, then and make a toast message, input student name, and pass else if student edt class is empty, then make a toast message, input class name, and else try and catch here, exception, and make a toast message here, insert and exception message dot string. Now write the code for inside the try block, val values is equal content values. So values dot put and our data field key is student. Our column in database is student name and pass the value as name. As name and address address and pass the value this as address. So as address and same way insert the value of the class and age. Now insert the image. So values dot put and our field is student photo and pass here image byte array. Now dv and our query type insert and our table is give the table name here. So our table name is student and null and pass the values here. Values. Now make a toast message here. Data inserted. After the data insert, clean the all edit tags for inserting new data. So make a function here. Make a function here. Fun. Make a clear function here. Private fun CLR and set the all edit tags value clear and set the image view null and byte array null. Now call this clear CLR here after the data inserted. CLR function. Now on in save data, insert data button. So when message, if message is add, then call the function insert data. Now go to the activity main XML and here is a button insert data. and create a function add data on main activity. Now go to the main activity and here is a add data function on click button. So val intent is equal intent select this intent this student class.java and pass here so intent dot put extra and set the value of message here msg comma and set the value add start activity intent put extra. So click on add button, load the student activity and set the message value add. So data will insert it. Now run the app and see the result. Now our app is loaded successfully. Now click on insert data and fill the student details. And now insert the image for student. So click on upload image button. Browse the image and select one image and now insert data. Now insert one more data and upload an image. Click on upload image and select one image. Now click on insert data. So our message is data inserted. So we have successfully inserted data and image in SQLite database. Thank you for watching this video.